All right, here's another trade we just got. 2013 Harley Davidson Triglide. So this is a factory Harley Davidson trike. It's a real nice dark blue, black, two-tone paint. It's got 18,000 miles and it's had a few goodies put on it. So on this particular bike, that luggage rack on top of the tour box is an accessory. It has a set of CFR mufflers. It's got some, somebody put some chrome wheels on it. It's got chrome wheels all the way around. It's got the protective skin on the fenders, which is a good thing. Got a nice seat, backrest. It's got Vance and Hines power duals for header pipes. It's got a stage 1 air cleaner. Got a set of, I'm gonna say they're 14-inch apes, probably. Also, as you can see, it's got chrome controls, chrome grips. It has the chrome rings around all the gauges. Windshield trim, windshield bag. Somebody's added the LED headlights across the board. Front tire's good, rear tire's good. It's also got chrome forks. Got the chrome fork tins and the lower sliders, and also, like I'd mentioned, about the chrome wheel. I think them are stock wheels that have been chromed, I believe. Coming around this side, it looks just the same way. This is a really nice trike. Got some nice additions to it. This would be a 103 cubic inch twin cam engine, 6-speed transmission. It's got reverse. It's got security system. You can see on the back here, it's got storage compartment in the rear box. It's got a nice size storage compartment. And then of course it's got the tour box lid that lifts up with a nice large touring compartment there as well, storage compartment. This is a really nice trike if you're looking for a nice used one that maybe isn't as expensive as a brand new one. Again, it's a 2013 Harley Davidson Triglide for sale at Yeager Cycle. Come check it out.